I'm going to attempt to do this roof today. Let's pray for rain. This one right here is doing lovely. That one's doing lovely. All right, guys, I'm finished. I'm going to have to reinforce, and I'm done. All right, good morning, guys. What's up, YouTube? Today's Saturday. I'm over here at the Home Depot, guys. Over at the Home Depot, picking up some stuff I need. This is what I got so far. Got some 2x4x12s. I got 9 of those, and I got one 8x8, and I got some corrugated roof plastic right here. I'm going to attempt to do this roof today. Like I said, attempt to do it. I have my screws right there, and I just got some more screws that I need to take back inside the store, because these actually, I need to go back in there and get a drill bit for it, because I don't have the screws. So I see him trying to get away from me, but yeah. All right, so let me go back inside the store and see if I can get this drill bit, because I didn't bring my socket, my socket wrench today. So all right, so like I said, I'm going to attempt to do this roof today, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, I'm over here at the property, and I'm getting ready to start watering these trees. They need it. It's supposed to rain over here on Sunday and Monday, so it's supposed to rain all day Sunday and Monday. So, but I'm gonna water them anyway since I'm here. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this lychee tree some water right now. The good news is I know that we shouldn't be too far off with our well, so should be coming soon. I know this sucks, but this is all we can do for right now. Just pray for rain and come over here and water with water bottles when we get a chance. All right, guys, so the banana trees are looking pretty good. They're actually growing too. Like this one right here, this one grew a lot. All these over here, I did lose one banana tree right here. This one was struggling from the beginning, and finally gave way. So, and I don't know if the squirrel came over here and finished him off. So this one right here is doing lovely. That one's doing lovely. This one right here is doing great. This little papaya tree was the one I told you last time that had got bit up, but it looks like it's growing off another shoot. And all these papaya trees right here are growing. So everything is growing, guys. Even my avocado trees down here have grew back leaves. They're looking nice too. I didn't get any, all the fruit, I guess all the little flowers, they fell off, but you can see some of the leaves are growing back now on this one. Very nice looking. And you can see on this one right here, the leaves are growing back as well. So like I said, they're hanging on for me. And like I said, we should be getting a well soon. Very, very soon. So now I'm gonna go on down here where the shade house is at down here, and I'm gonna go ahead and start working on that and see how far I can get with this roof today, since I'm by myself. So all right, so I got everything unloaded out the truck. As you can see, I brought my my new collusion plants that I said I had bought. I had bought these because these are extra in my backyard that I was doing that little wall in my backyard. So I had bought like 12. They had a special. If you buy 12, you get them for like $13. So I bought 12 of them. And these are the extra 4 that I have that I'm just gonna put up there. But the ones up there in the front, up here in front of the garden beds, guys, they look like they're growing. I mean, some of them getting their color back, and they're still alive, so with minimum water. So anyway, I got some more water in here so I can water those collusion plants too. I'm gonna go ahead and unload this this U-Haul trailer real fast, and I'm gonna go ahead and start. So as you can see, this is where I left off at. I have all these up. I'm actually taking these off. I brought 2 more that I can cut to put them right here. Cut those off. So I'm gonna use this one to put over there in the corner. So there's gonna be 3 posts on each side. I'm gonna take this one off again too, put it over here. And so I got 3. I'm gonna move this one, put it on this side wall right here. So it can go here instead of over here, because that's how I'm gonna put the pole at the very top of it. And this one right here as well. I'm gonna move this one, put it over here in the middle. Move this one, put it over here. And the one in the front, like I said, I'm gonna put it over there. So that's the first thing I'm gonna do right now after I unload this other wood that I have inside this trailer. All right, guys, I'm finished. My camera had died, so my GoPro, when I was recording, but I ran out of the corrugated roofing right here. So I'll go get some more. I only need 1 more piece, but I'm going to have to reinforce the bottom. I don't know if you guys ever worked with this before. I haven't, but I should have put something right here. I should have put another board here, maybe 3 going across, to keep these, because you can see they're sinking in the middle part. I do have them bolted going down the middle though, wherever it reached the 2x4, but you can see like this piece right here, it didn't reach the 2x4, so it's hanging. So I'm gonna have to get some type of some 2x4s and cut them and put them in here to keep that up. But I mean, it's already doing what I needed to do, guys. It's already providing me some shade. You can see right now I'm in some shade right now, and it's hot. So this is actually what I needed for. I'm gonna put some plants up in here around the poles, add a little character to this. So, and then I don't know if my wife want to paint this, but I'm gonna actually put a countertop in here too on top of here. I'm gonna go around it with a piece of wood all the way around. I don't know if I can, because some of this stuff is uneven. So, but I'll figure it out. I might have to raise it up all the way, or I might not even use this piece back here at all. Just use the sides, and like I said, just put a countertop in here, so when I'm mixing soil and stuff like that and repotting and stuff like that, I can come in here and I can store pots and stuff in here as well. It's not a shed, but you know, it's still open. So yep, until we get the barnuminium, then I can't get the barn that I want, the barn shed that I want. So until I get the barnuminium built. So once we get that done, then I'll be able to put my shed, and then I want another shed too for the trailer as well. So all right, so what I'm gonna do now, guys, is I brought this Kalusia right here. So I'm going to go ahead and start digging holes and putting this in the ground. And I got my all-purpose for in-ground use soil, and I got some wood clippings, wood chips and stuff that I chipped up yesterday in my backyard, and I also have a bag full of pulp from my juicing and stuff like that, and eggshells and stuff like that. I'm just going to throw those inside the garden beds for right now, and probably like in the next couple weeks I'll go ahead and start digging some more dirt and putting them in there, but not today. I came out here to do what I said I was going to do, and I did it. So I also need to cut these 2 pieces of wood right here, which I probably won't do today, and I'm going to put those right here on the end, these little end capsules right here. So, but I'll do that another day. I'm just going to put that wood in here and just leave it for now, and start digging these holes so I can get out of here, so I can return this trailer back to Home Depot, and U-Haul. Also, this piece of wood right here, guys, what I had brought it for is because this is going to be our pole for our sign in the front of the property. So we're still coming up with names for the property. So for the meantime, I'll just keep this here too and just put it underneath the shade house too until next week, because I have to get some stuff for this. I need some gravel, and I need some concrete mix to put that in there. So I'll just leave this in here too. So all right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start digging these holes. All right, guys, so I dug these 3 holes, Whew, I'm tired. But anyway, so I dug these 3 holes. I'm starting to mix it now with this in-ground Miracle Grow in-ground garden soil. So I mix it with the native soil, and then I'll put these 4 in. And like I said, I bought these for $13 because I bought them. I bought 12 of them, which, like I said, I'm cheap. I really don't want to pay for these, but it is what it is. I needed them for the backyard. So I did find another little marketplace around the corner from my house, and they sell these smaller than this, but they do have like 4 or 5 of them in one pot. So, and she's only selling her for $3.21. So I'm thinking about buying them. And like I said, all these right here I got from my neighbor that I found. I just, you know, when he cut his trees on the side, I just took them and I was able to propagate them, and then they started to grow. But the only thing is they're really thin because there's only one plant. It's only one in the, it was only one in the pot. So now I learned now to put like 3 or 4 of them in the pot at one time. So that's what I got at home growing now. I got like 4 of them, 3 or 4 of them in a pot. And that's what makes them really thick. I mean, they do start to spread like this, like that. They'll start to spread and they'll get bigger, but we want like a real big wall right here. You can see this one has like baby leaves coming out of it. So that one's still growing, it's alive. I mean, they're still alive, guys, but like I said, they're just not getting enough water. I'm getting ready to water them after I put these in the ground, these 4 over here. So yeah, so like I said, once we get the well, then they'll be able to get their water. But in the garden beds, the same thing. They haven't been sinking too much. They're still pretty much up. You can still see the leaves in there, so the wind's not blowing them all the way because I'm not able to water them to keep the leaf down. But like I said, I'll start filling these back up again, putting some more dirt in them, doing the best I can do till I get this well. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the ground. All right, guys, I finished watering all the plants and I'm done. So you can see these are the 4 I put in. They're pretty big. I mean, pretty nice too, nice and green. We'll see how they live, how long they stay that green until we get the well. So all right, so let me count and see how many more I need, because the most important thing right now, guys, I want to do the front first, all the way across, and then like I said, then I'll start working on maybe that side right there. So let me see how many I need. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6 more right here. Let's see, I hate all this green growing back too. These are like weeds, so I'm gonna have to do something with this too until I get the grass going. I hate it, but what can I do? All right, so I got 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 33, 34. I need 34 more plants to put over here. 34. Yeah, that's a lot. So, and like I said, I don't want to spend money on them, but I might not have a choice if I just want to get the front first and get them going. So you guys can see the horses today, right there. Yeah. All right, guys, well, I'm done for today. I'm gonna go ahead and take this trailer back to U-Haul and get out of here. It was a long day today. When you solo, guys, it's like, man, it takes forever, but it is what it is. What doesn't kill you make you stronger. I'll be back maybe next week, and I'll finish up this piece right here, this last piece right here, and figure out what I'm gonna do about the insides. So, and I'll probably put some mulch in here too, inside on the floor. And this is little stuff I gotta do to tighten this up a little bit more, but at least it'll be done and out the way. Something I can start doing next, which is I got one more flower bed to do, the one I got at home that I want to bring over here. And I think after that we'll probably start doing grass. Maybe start putting the grass in. Yeah, so that's what we got going on next. So other than that, guys, you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys on the next one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. I appreciate it. Thank you. Later.